Hi, it's Will from the Access Panel Company. Today I just want to talk to you about the operation of our RPT lock. This can be fitted to a range of doors, but today we have it fitted to our contract range door. The RPT comes fitted to the panel and is sent with 2 spare keys. When first using the lock, just make sure the lock itself isn't loose, and you should do this before install, as once it's installed will be a much harder process to set. As we can see, this lock is nicely firmly fitted, so we're going to engage the key with the top of the key pointing upwards, and as you can see here, the key has a little bit of spring. This spring here is to prevent water ingress or dust getting into it and is part of the IP rating of the lock. To engage the lock, fully depress the spring and turn to the right or left depending on the orientation of the panel. As you can see, this has allowed me to open the door and has engaged the lock properly. So we'll close, and then, now that the lock is unlocked, the key is stuck and you can't remove it. To do this, you must lock the lock again, and then the key will pop out. Key fact to remember is that the spring must be depressed all the way when trying to turn the key, because if you were just to put it in like this and try and turn here, it will not engage the lock and potentially break or snap the key. So you must fully engage and then turn. If you'd like to find out any more information about the RPT and or any of our other panels, please give our friendly team a call or visit our website.